Hi, I'm Jill Jackson, and this is 1 Minute with Jill. Have you ever felt like about this time of year you're ready to kind of pack it in early, like, oh gosh, I'm exhausted, testing is done, we're heading really closely to the end of the year, really slowly to the end of the year? I felt the same way too, and what I realized is that I was giving up on an opportunity to intervene with kids who need it the most. When I looked at my calendar, I would realize if I stopped teaching in April, for example, mid-April even, or just slowed up a little bit, I would find that it would be April, May, June, July, and August. That's almost 4 months or so that kids would be missing instruction by the end of the year, all the way through summer. So they would show up to the next school year and be like, barely knowing what was going on. And that partially was my responsibility. My encouragement to you is this, that you see teaching to the end of the year, not packing up early, as an intervention for the kids that need it the most, so that you're giving them that last boost that they need to head into the summer months where they'll likely receive no instruction, so that you can better prepare them for the next school year.